Welcome to our off-grid power system tutorial. Today, we are embarking on a journey to explain how you can build your off-grid power system, step by step. You might wonder, why off-grid? Well, being independent from power companies, having the ability to provide your own electricity, and contributing minimal carbon emissions to the world are all empowering benefits that come with this choice. To start, we need some essential components. These include solar panels, batteries that act as your power bank, charge controller, inverter, breaker, wires, and a mounting system. Now, remember, every single component is crucial and plays a significant role in the overall functionality. Quality should not be overlooked, as these materials are beneficial for long-term usage. Let us now focus on setting up solar panels, the lifeblood of your off-grid power system. They convert energy from the sun into electricity. To achieve maximum conversion, you need to install them in a location with ample sunlight, typically a rooftop. Keep in mind the angle toward the sun's path will harness more energy. Next up is your power bank, the batteries. They store the energy harnessed by the solar panels, providing electricity whenever you need. Pay attention to the wiring and labeling, as incorrect connectivity could lead to dysfunction. There's a myriad of options for storage, from lead-acid to lithium-ion. Choose what best suits your need and budget. Charge controllers and inverters are integral to this puzzle. The charge controller prevents the batteries from overcharging, while the inverter converts DC power stored in the batteries to AC power, which most home appliances use. Insist on a reliable, efficient charge controller, and remember, the capacity of the inverter should match the total load. Having assembled everything, it's time for the final setup and testing. Ensure all systems are secured properly, and all connections are correct. Run the system and monitor for any anomalies. If everything runs smoothly without any hitch, congratulations! You just built your own off-grid power system. If not, double-check every component, every connection. Very often, it's a matter of a simple twist or turn. We've come to the end of our tutorial, and hopefully, by now, you're the proud owner of a functioning off-grid power system. This isn't just about self-sustainability, it's also about contributing towards a greener planet. So, share what you've learned, help others live off the grid. After all, knowledge is power, especially when it's about self-generating power.